Here is how to find your YouTube channel ID on mobile. First, you need to go ahead, open a web browser on your mobile device. Simply search for studio.youtube.com. Hit enter on your keyboard, and you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select desktop site. Now tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, and from the menu that appears, go to settings. From the account section, go ahead and tap on view advanced settings, and here you'll get your user ID and channel ID both in this page. So that's it. And you can tap on the copy, which is beside the box, and it will be copied to your clipboard and you can paste it wherever you want. So that's it. This is how you can find your YouTube channel ID on your mobile. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.